Hi friends, welcome to Aki and our vlogs.
Friends, we got this slime kit from Amazon.
Yes,
We did. It has 40 plus slimes.
yes, 40 plus slimes. There's some slimes here.
Like these, we will make slimes.
Yes, these are the slimes we have to make.
Friends, we are going to unbox this now.
Yes.
Wow!
A lot of slimes. There's a lot to make.
Wow, guys. These are foam balls.
And these?
Storage cups. These are bigger foam balls.
Yes.
Mixing spoons.
Yes.
More storage boxes.
And
Balloons.
And these are
Glitter.
the glitter. Yes, glitter.
Food coloring. Clear glue and glue.
And these
These are colorful glue for us to make.
And
This is pink and this is golden.
And these are the glue too.
These are the activators.
Yes, these are the activators. And
These are the activators.
And there's
And
glue.
this is the instructions.
Yes, we have to open it. Yeah, look. We have to put coloring on these.
Friends, first we are going to make vanilla slime.
Yes.
For vanilla slime, we need activator, white glue,
And cup, spoon, water with a cup.
Friends, we are going to pour glue and water in this cup.
Yes, and a spoon to mix it. Okay, this is the slime I made, and it is so stretchy. Look, it's stretched. It's just a drop. Yes, and wow, it's stretched so much. Stretched so much. Like this, it's stretched everywhere, and it matched my dress too a little bit, and so big. Ooh. Whoa. And
Friends, today we made two slime, vanilla slime and strawberry slime. In the upcoming videos, you will see more slime videos like this. Bye friends.
it's so slime is the big. Bye.
Bye.